Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. Microsoft Edge web browser, as many of you know, has and carries support for progressive web apps. And basically what a web app is, it's called a PWA for short, and it's basically just a shortcut to a web page that you install that web page into the Edge browser, and then it just acts like any native app uh, on your device. And it has, it works independently of the browser. You can pin it to your taskbar. You can, it has a startup entry in the start menu. It has its own notifications and so on. So it just acts like any other native app on your system, but it doesn't actually get installed onto your system. It just gets installed into your web browser. Now, in Microsoft Edge Canary, which I have open, and as always is a pre-release version used for testing and experimenting. Microsoft has now added a flag you can use where you will receive a warning when a PWA or progressive web app tries to update its icon or name. So this is obviously now a security feature, a new security feature that is coming, possibly coming to the Edge browser in the future. Now, how we do this is, as always, we have to enable that flag, and it's called PWA install update dialog for name icon changes. And in our address bar, we enter edge : / flags. And in the search, you just enter that flag. I've already copied it. I'm just going to paste it in. PWA install update dialog for name and or icon changes. And the flag says enable a confirmation dialog that shows up when a PWA changes its icon and or name. And that's available for Mac, Windows, Linux, and Android. Now, we change that default setting to enabled, and as always, restart Edge Canary to apply that flag. And now you see on the relaunch, when my PWA, my YouTube progressive web app relaunches, we get that pop-up to review icon update. If this web app is trying to trick you into thinking it's a different app, uninstall it. And you've got two options. You can uninstall the app right from the pop-up menu, or you can just go OK, and you can just carry on obviously using the app. Now, I have noticed that this only works on the first launch after applying the flag. When I go back to my YouTube PWA, it doesn't pop up anymore. And obviously that's just because I just enabled the flag. And obviously, if it does detect something in the future, it will give me that if this web app is trying to trick you into thinking it's a different app, uninstall it. So this is not available currently in the stable version of Edge, and like most features that roll out to the Edge Canary version of the browser, it could possibly make its way down to a stable version of Edge in the future. Now, apparently this flag is also supposed to work in Google Chrome Canary, but I have tried running the flag in Chrome Canary, and it doesn't work on my system. So obviously there is something there that isn't quite up to speed, but I have tried to get it to work in Chrome Canary as well. So if you use Edge Canary and Chrome Canary, you can try this out in both versions of those browsers. So I hope you found this video useful. Once again, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.